This is the Dreame X40 Ultra, and honestly, it might be one of the most advanced robot vacuums I've ever tested. Dreame claims this thing can vacuum, mop, clean itself, avoid obstacles, and even reach places most robot vacuums simply can't. Sounds amazing, right? But after spending time with it in a real home, I discovered a few things that the marketing doesn't tell you. So, is this the ultimate hands-free cleaning machine, or just another expensive gadget? Let's find out. Dreame X40 Ultra product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Dreame X40 Ultra is the flagship robot vacuum and mop from Dreame Technology. It's designed for homeowners who want the closest thing possible to fully automated floor cleaning. This premium robot combines powerful vacuuming with advanced mopping, AI-powered obstacle avoidance, automatic dust collection, self-cleaning mop pads, hot water mop washing, and automatic mop drying. The headline feature is its ability to extend both its side brush and mop outward, helping it clean corners and edges more effectively than many competitors. Dreame X40 Ultra Performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? This is where the X40 Ultra starts to justify its premium price tag. In everyday use, cleaning feels surprisingly effortless. I tested it on hardwood floors, tile, low-pile carpets, and even areas with pet hair, and the results were consistently impressive. The suction power is among the strongest you'll find in a robot vacuum right now. Dust, crumbs, pet fur, and everyday debris disappear with very few missed spots. What really stood out was the navigation system. The robot creates accurate maps quickly and moves through rooms efficiently without that random bouncing behavior older robot vacuums were famous for. Obstacle avoidance is also excellent. Shoes, cables, pet bowls, and small household objects were generally detected and avoided successfully. The edge cleaning performance deserves special attention. Most robot vacuums leave a noticeable strip of dirt along walls and corners. The X40 Ultra's extending brush and mop significantly reduce that problem. Now, is it perfect? Not quite. Features and tech. Let's talk about the standout features, because this is where Dreame is really trying to separate itself from the competition. First up is the extendable side brush and mop system. This allows the robot to physically reach into corners and along baseboards. Why should you care? Because those are exactly the places where dirt loves to hide, and where many robot vacuums struggle. Next is the fully automated docking station. The station automatically empties dust, washes the mop pads using hot water, refills clean water, and dries the pads afterward. In practical terms, you can go weeks with very little maintenance. Then there's the AI obstacle recognition system. Using cameras and sensors, the robot identifies common household obstacles and navigates around them intelligently. That means fewer rescue missions and fewer interrupted cleaning cycles. Finally, the companion app is surprisingly polished. You can create schedules, set cleaning zones, establish no-go areas, customize room settings, and monitor cleaning progress in real time. Design and build. Aesthetically, Dreame knocked it out of the park. The X40 Ultra looks sleek, modern, and premium. The robot itself has a clean, minimalist design that blends nicely into most homes. The docking station is larger than average, but that's expected considering everything it does. It houses clean water, dirty water, dust collection, and mop maintenance systems. Build quality feels excellent throughout. Nothing feels cheap or flimsy. The robot moves confidently, and the sensors are integrated cleanly without making the design look overly technical. Pros. Edge cleaning system genuinely improves corner coverage. Highly automated docking station reduces maintenance. Great app experience with extensive customization options. Cons. Premium price puts it out of reach for some buyers. Very small objects can still occasionally confuse navigation. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth the money? If you're someone who values convenience, has pets, kids, or simply hates cleaning floors, the Dreame X40 Ultra is one of the best robot vacuums available today. The combination of powerful cleaning, intelligent navigation, advanced edge cleaning, and extensive automation creates an experience that feels genuinely premium. Now, if you're on a tighter budget, there are absolutely cheaper robot vacuums that can handle basic cleaning tasks reasonably well. But the X40 Ultra isn't trying to be a budget option. It's trying to be the robot vacuum that requires the least amount of human involvement possible. And honestly, it comes remarkably close to achieving that goal. For homeowners who want cutting-edge smart cleaning technology and are willing to pay for it, the Dreame X40 Ultra is an easy recommendation.